Assalamu alaikum. Welcome again to my math school. Today we have some questions regarding compound interest. Okay, these are level 1 questions. Level first means easy level questions. Let's take question number 1. Question number 1 is Ahmed lends a sum of rupees 6,000 to Zaid. Ahmed lends a sum of rupees 6,000 to Zaid at the rate of 10% per annum. Per annum. Okay. Rate is per annum. Compounded annually. And the compound interest is founded annually. Okay. Find the amount at the end of 2 years. Okay. We have to find the amount at the end of 2 years. Okay. It is simple. Okay. ये जो अहमद है ये किसको पैसे देता है? जैद को एट द रेट ऑफ 10% पर एनम. ओके. और जो ये इंटरेस्ट कंपाउंड कर रहा है, इंटरेस्ट पे दे रहा है, तो ये वो इंटरेस्ट ईयरली उस कंपाउंड कर रहा है, मतलब ईयरली उसमें इंटरेस्ट चढ़ता है. ओके. नॉट हाफ ईयरली और क्वार्टरली. ओके. तो फाइंड द अमाउंट एट द एंड ऑफ 2 years. सिंपल. देखो, वी नो दैट जो हमारा अमाउंट है, अमाउंट की जो फॉर्मूला है वो आप सबको याद है, जो हमने प्रीवियस लेक्चर्स में देखा. इट इज P इंटू 1 प्लस R डिवाइडेड बाई 100 होल रेज टू पावर n. ओके. व्हाट इज P? P इज द प्रिंसिपल. तो हमारे पास यहाँ पे प्रिंसिपल क्या है? दिस इज P. ये हमारा प्रिंसिपल है. ओके. 1 प्लस R. व्हाट इज रेट? Because rate is 10%, so we have R is here 10% because the interest is compounded annually, so we have rate is 10%. Okay. What is N? N is the number of the periods. Okay. Again ये जो N है it is compounded. See, per annum, rate per annum, compounded annually. Since it is compounded annually, that means this is n is equal to what? Find the amount at the end of 2 years. So that means this is n. n is 2 years. हमारा जो n है वो 2 years है. बस these ये variables है p, r और n, इनके वैल्यूज इसमें सेटिस्फाई करने हैं. What is p? p is 6,000. Okay, what 1 plus what is R? It is 10%, that is 10 divided by 100 whole raised power 2. Okay, we can cancel this out, that is 10 1 R, 10 10 R. Okay, so by cross multiplication ये this will be 6,000 और ये होगा 10 into 1 10 plus 1 upon 10 whole square. This will be 6,000 into 10 plus 1 11 by 10 whole square. What is 11 square? 11 square is, this is 6,000 into 11 square is 1 to 1 upon 100. 10 square is 100. Okay, so this and this will go, this and this will go. Okay, so what will be the required amount? It will be 60 into 1 to 1. So 60 contains a 0. So we will first write a 0. 6 1 are 6. 6 2 are 12. 6 1 are 6 and 7 it will be. The total amount will be rupees 7260. 7,260. Okay. This was a level 1 question. Okay. It is the very low level. Now question number 2, it is Zain borrowed a sum of rupees 8,000. Okay. अब ये जो Zain है ये क्या ला रहा है? It borrows. Okay, ये उधार लाता है. This 8,000 at the rate of 10% per annum. 10% per annum होता है. Okay. Now let us see about the compound interest. Compound interest per annum, compounded semi annually. इस पे आपको ध्यान रखना है यहाँ पे कि compounded semi annually, that means number of conversion periods कितने आएंगे. Okay, we have to see what will be the value of n. Okay, then find the amount and compound interest for a period of 1 year. Okay, for a period of 1 year हमें देखना है. तो सिंपली माय डियर फ्रेंड्स यहाँ पे ध्यान रखना है कि ये तो सिंपल है, P हमारा ये है, ये हमारी रेट है, दिस इज आवर रेट. ओके, बट रेट इज पर एनम. ओके, per annum, compounded semi-annually. Interest is compounded semi-annually. That means half yearly. Okay, so how many conversion periods will be in a year when the rate is compounded semi-annually? Okay, interest is compounded semi-annually. See, rate is 10% per annum. Rate is equal to 10% per annum. My dear friends, एक साल में रेट है 10%, लेकिन हाफ ईयर में सेमी एनुअली मीन्स हाफ ईयरली, तो फिर रेट क्या बन जाएगी? हाफ ईयरली, क्योंकि सेमी एनुअली और हाफ सेमी एनुअली. ओके, तो सेमी एनुअली रेट क्या होगी? इसकी हाफ ऑफ 10%, तो 2 1 आर 2 5 आर, दैट विल बी 5% सेमी एनुअली. ओके, एंड ये जो हमारा n है, n is number of conversion periods, और number of simply periods. क्योंकि एक साल में कितने हाफ ईयर होते हैं? एक साल में तो हाफ प्लस हाफ, दैट मीन्स 2, तो ये जो n होगा ये हमारे पास 2 होगा. तो यूजिंग दिस फॉर्मूला यहाँ पे सिंपली अमाउंट हमारे पास क्या होगा? P है हमारा 8000 into 1. What is 1? 1 plus R. What is R? R is 5, because it is compounded semi-annually. This will be 100 4 is power n की जगह 2 है, तो यहाँ पे 8000 आएगा. This will be 5 1 R 5 20 R, तो 20 ये होगा 20 into 1 हो गया 20, प्लस आएगा 1 डिवाइडेड बाई होगा 20 होल स्क्वायर, तो 8000 आएगा यहाँ पे. 20 प्लस 1 हो गया 21 डिवाइडेड बाई 20 स्क्वायर, तो दिस विल बी 8000 into 21 square, that is 441 upon 20 square. What is that? It is 400. This and this will go, this and this will go, 4 1 R 4 20 R, and this will be 20 into 4 4 1, that is 0, 2 1 is 2, 2 4 are 8, 2 4 are 8. Required जो अमाउंट है, what we have to find the amount and compound interest. So what will be our, this is our amount, what will be our compound interest? Compound interest is equal to amount minus principal. What is amount? It is 8820 minus what is principal? It is 8000. So the required compound interest is rupees 820. Got it? So these were some level 1 questions. Okay, in the coming lectures we will try to solve level 2, level 3 and advanced level questions. So for this you have to keep watching My Math School for some interesting lectures to come for JK SSB aspirants. So till then, have a good time. Assalamu alaikum.